Want to start making money online, but have absolutely no skills or experience? Well, I've got some great news for you. In 2025, you don't need a degree, you don't need a website, and you don't even need technical knowledge to start earning from day one. In this video, I'm going to show you some super simple, beginner-friendly ways to make money online with literally zero experience. And stick around, because all the detailed steps, the earning methods, and the links are waiting for you in the description and the pinned comment. Make sure to check those out after watching. First up, let's talk about microtask platforms. These are websites that pay you to do small, easy tasks that anyone can do. We're talking about things like watching videos, testing out new apps, answering simple surveys, and basic data entry. It's the perfect starting point for complete beginners. You can check out sites like Clickworker, Remotasks, and Amazon Mechanical Turk. Again, I'll leave the full guides to getting started in the description below. Next, you can offer beginner-friendly freelance services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. And no, you don't need to be an expert. You can start with really simple jobs. Think about things like background removal from photos, creating simple designs with Canva, scheduling social media posts, copy-paste tasks, or even basic virtual assistant work. All of these require no prior experience, and you can learn the entire workflow in just a few minutes. In 2025, AI is your best friend. Seriously, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva's AI features, and various image generators are a game changer for beginners. You can now earn money doing tasks like writing short social media posts, creating eye-catching thumbnails for videos, making unique AI images, or even generating product descriptions for e-commerce stores. The AI does most of the heavy lifting, and you just have to deliver the final result to your client. Another amazing method is social media reposting. You can actually make money online without ever creating your own content from scratch. All you have to do is find and repost popular content like motivational clips, awesome gaming highlights, exciting sports moments, or quick tutorial snippets. You can post these on platforms like Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok. Most of these platforms pay you based on views, and the best part is you can start with 0 followers. Finally, let's talk about simple digital products. You can sell digital products without any design skills or experience. Using free tools like Canva, you can easily create templates for things like daily planners, personal journals, social media graphics, and educational worksheets. Once you've made them, you can upload them to marketplaces like Etsy or Gumroad and start earning passive income. So there you have it. These are some of the best ways to make money online with no experience, perfect for any beginner. If you want the full step-by-step guide, I've put everything you need in the description and the pinned comment. You'll find links, tools, and all my best earning tricks included. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. Comment beginner if you want a part 2, and subscribe for more real earning methods. Thanks for watching.